Find the values of x and y. Enter your answers like this: x equals blank, comma, y equals blank. Route your answers to the nearest tenth. So x is the unknown hypotenuse, and y is an unknown leg of this right triangle. We're going to be using trig ratios. We're given the 10, which is the opposite side from 26 degrees. Let's solve for the hypotenuse, x first. So we're going to be using the opposite to the hypotenuse, which is the sine ratio. So the sine of 26 degrees equals 10 to x. So let's make it into a proportion and cross multiply to solve. We'll have x times the sine of 26 degrees equals 1 times 10, which is 10. To solve for x, we'll divide by the sine of 26 degrees. Now the sine of 26 degrees is just a decimal. We could have found the decimal first, but I'm going to wait until the end on this one. So the sine of 26 degrees, those reduce out. So we get x equals 10 divided by the sine of 26 degrees. So let's get the calculator. 10 divided by the sine of 26 degrees, 22.8. So x equals 22.8. Okay, now let's solve for y, which is the adjacent side, or the adjacent leg with the 26 degrees. So we're going to be using the 10, which is the opposite, and the y, which is the adjacent. So we use the tangent ratio. So the tangent of 26 degrees equals opposite divided by the adjacent, which is 10 divided by y. Now let's make a proportion and cross multiply to solve for y. So we'll have y times the tangent of 26 degrees equals 1 times 10, which is 10. Divide both sides by the tangent of 26 degrees. And those cancel out, so we get y equals 10 divided by the tangent of 26 degrees. Back to the calculator. 10 divided by the tangent of 26 degrees, 20.5. So y equals 20.5. So enter the final answer. We'll have x equals 22.8, comma, y equals 20.5.